American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. And we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. We bought a lot of classic cars here and had to fix a lot of problems. Classic cars can be your biggest money pit or your best investment.
This is a 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport, finished in beautiful tuxedo black, white stripes, all the nice chrome, all the SS trim, SS emblems. Up front, you've got the hood pins on the hood, raised cowl hood, of course the SS grille, nice chrome bumpers. Under the hood, big block power. We've got power steering, we've got power disc brakes up front, we've got vintage air conditioning for those hot days. You can cruise in this car anytime. It's gonna stay nice and cool inside and out with the big large 4-core radiator, Edelbrock intake, all the nice chrome valve covers, air cleaner, finished off really nice under detailed for show. Looking at the car from the side, gorgeous American racing wheels, chrome 5 spokes, 20s in the rear, 18s up front, pops against the black paint. Looks gorgeous. Black vinyl top, something you don't see a lot anymore. Looks great. All your nice stainless trim around the wheel lips, door handles, roof rails, everything is really nice. Chrome bumper in the back, great shape. As you can see, correct chrome SS tips on the exhaust. Gives it that great sound. All your SS badges again on the rear, and of course, your white stripes in the rear as well, finished underneath the clear coat. Awesome new black interior, factory bucket seats that have been reupholstered, new carpet, new sill plates. It's got really rare rear defrost in the back, as you can see, with the dual rear speakers. Correct SS steering wheel, 4-speed with the heavy duty shifter. You've got the round gauges up front, correct for the Super Sport. You can see all your vintage AC controls here, real easy to use. Great, again, great on those summer days. This car's all new inside, new headliner, just in great shape, and there's a lot of money spent on the inside of this car as well as the outside. This is the best part. Real Super Sport, big block power, Muncie 4-speed transmission, 12-bolt rear end. We have over 100 classic cars, muscle cars, and trucks in stock here at American Dream Machines. Check us out at americandreammachines.com or admcars.com. If you have any questions, give us a call.
I remember when I was a kid, hanging down at the Loop, snuck out of the house way past my bedtime, and I saw a jet black 1967 Street Beast. Red Stinger hood, red guts. That car peeled out around all 4 corners of that hood. All I could say is, damn. And that's why I started American Dream Machines. Welcome to American Dream Machines. Everybody wants a piece of the American dream. American Dream Machines is rock and roll and beautiful cars. It was Hendrix, Born to be Wild, and Heavy Metal Thunder. These were the designs of Harley Earl, a masterpiece grille. These are the cars that people dreamed about in the 50s, and they still dream about them today. True works of art on 4 wheels. Welcome to Car Heaven. The quality of our cars every year gets better and better, and this 4,000 square foot studio tells no lies. American Dream Machines was inspired by the fire-breathing big block designs of Duntop and Bill Mitchell. These were the baddest cars in 1967. It's not all about the numbers. If we can get 500, 600, 700 horsepower in one of these street beasts, it's a whole lot of fun. At American Dream Machines, we've purchased thousands of cars over the years, and we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. Our mechanics and restoration staff here are the dream team, and they get 200 cars a year ready for our customers.
Yes, I love that.
American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. We have beautiful cars here, and you should own one. So you want to drive the Buick in the back? Just living the dream.